success, having a strong mindset, being physically fit, having the freedom that you want. These are all things we want as an entrepreneur. When I started this channel, the goal in mind was to provide valuable information without all the fluff that you hear from all these other gurus. No gate-kept information hiding behind a course, nothing that you have to pay for, just giving true, valuable information about the experiences I've had being an entrepreneur. Those are the things that I want to be able to give to the community and create a group of strong-minded individuals that aren't afraid to go down that path, sharing knowledge from people that have done it. They've had the success. They've gone through the struggles that all entrepreneurs go through. A lot of times we think that being an entrepreneur is just this happy time to where you make a lot of money, you run a business, and you have a ton of freedom. That's not always the case. A lot of times it's full of loneliness, hardship, hard decisions, things that a lot of people don't talk about. On this channel, I want to be transparent about the things that we go through on a day-to-day basis. I want to be able to share the things that have strengthened my mind and made me a stronger entrepreneur. The skills that you need to be able to tackle those things, to be able to go after that dream, get the freedom you want, and be able to make the money and live the life that you want. Those are all things that we're going to be sharing. We're going to talk about what are the things that you can do in your day-to-day life that over time have the greatest amount of progress, the greatest amount of change. We're going to talk about the systems. We're going to talk about the software. We're going to go over different scenarios, rather it be real estate, rather it be tech, rather it be insurance. There are a multitude of opportunities out there for anybody that wants to be an entrepreneur. The two things that are going to make you successful over all else, having the passion to do it and not quitting. If you'll follow along with all of the videos I'm going to be putting out, implement these things into your life and find the thing that you're passionate about, you will be successful. Just don't quit. My plan is to put out consistent content on almost a daily basis. No fluff, no crazy edits, raw, true information in short videos. I want everybody to be able to learn from any video on my channel and be able to grow as an entrepreneur. If you're somebody that's struggling or doesn't know where to start, make sure to subscribe to this channel, follow along, interact. The more feedback I get, the better information I can give to everybody. We'll still be doing the occasional video on your personal credit, your business credit. What are the books that have impacted my life? What lessons have I learned from trying a multitude of different things? From marketing to pay-per-call, anything in between, real estate, buying Section 8 properties, recruiting in the insurance industry and building a large IMO. What are the things that I can share with you that are going to help you? Those are the things that I want to put out. So I urge you to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment on this video. What is something that you want some real raw information about with no fluff and no course? Leave that comment and I will do my best to make as many of those videos as possible. Regardless, we'll be putting out a ton of content about what it takes to be a real entrepreneur. I hope that you guys are ready for this journey. I hope you join along and tune in to these videos as they continue to come out. I, again, will be much more consistent with the content coming out. And I hope that you all will join me on this journey and go after that life that you want. Become the entrepreneur that you were meant to be. So get ready. And I hope to see you on the next video.